Here we go guys, our coconut cookies. Smells so good, pinapalamig ko pa to. So first step, ito-toast natin tong shredded coconut, or I'm using desiccated coconut, sweetened. So ito-toast lang natin ito until golden brown. So spread nyo lang evenly sa ating baking sheet. Ready to hit the oven. So, mainit. So, next step, we're going to sift our dry ingredients. So, lagay ko lang dito ang all-purpose flour. Cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Baking soda. So for baking soda, I'm using 1 teaspoon. Then salt. Itong salt, ang gamit ko guys yung medium coarse salt, pero you can use yung fine salt sa baking, mas maganda. Naubusan lang ako. So we're going to sift this. Ilagay nyo na lang dyan. Okay lang yan, matutunaw din. So now we're going to set aside. So now gagamit ako ng stand mixer to mix, pero pwede kayong gumamit ng hand mixer or pwede nyong wire whisk lang manually. So now ilagay na natin ang ating soft butter. Room temperature siya guys. Okay, so 1 and 1/2. Ayan. Then, ilagay ko na rin ang sugar. 1/2 cup of white sugar, granulated. Then, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So, i-beat lang natin to. Then, scrape natin pansamantala. Scrape natin sa dito. So once na fluffy na, we're going to add the egg. So naka-low muna siya. Lagay natin ang egg. And of course, vanilla. So we're going to use Chico muna to. I'm using this kind of vanilla. This is really good quality vanilla guys. So 1 teaspoon. Ayan. Dine-increase ko lang ang ating speed. So, i-script muna natin. Umuulan kasi. So, mix again. Until na mix ang maayos. This is good. Ilagay na natin ang the rest of the ingredients. Yung flour natin. 2 cups of flour. So, mix ko lang into low speed. Looking good. Mabango. I-script din natin time to time. Pag nakita natin yan. Okay, script muna natin. Script time. So, yung nilagay ko dito ang cornstarch, nakakatulong yon para hindi mabuhaghag ang ating dough. So now, ilalagay na rin natin ang ating shredded coconut or yung desiccated coconut na toasted. So, habang naka low speed ito, so dahan-dahan natin itong ilagay. Ayan, so this is good. Done. Then after this, I'm just going to refrigerate. I-chill natin siya for about 1 to 3 hours or you can chill it overnight sa fridge. Then, refrigerate natin. Okay, now, so ito na yung cookie dough natin. So, let's form it into a small bowl. So, mga 1 to 2 tablespoon o depende sa size sa laki na gusto nyong cookies. So, ito mga 1 and 1/2 tablespoon lang. So, i-form lang na natin ito na parang bola. Ganyan lang. Ayan. Then, 2 inches apart. So, gawin lang natin ito hanggang sa matapos tayo. Okay. Okay. So, ayan guys. This is ready to bake. So, meron akong natira, mga few pieces. So, set aside ko muna to. Then, our oven, it's ready. Then, i-bake na natin kasi I'm excited na. So, here we go guys. Palamigin muna natin, di ba? Ayan, ganda. So, ito na yung coconut cookies natin, pinapalamig pa. Gusto ko kasi guys, pagod-pagod dito. So, it's up to you. So, I bake this one for 22 minutes for 350 Fahrenheit. Then, kung gusto nyo mas lighter yung ano dito, yung hindi masyadong ganito, you can bake for about 15 minutes. So, nasa sa inyo na yan. Make sure your oven is preheated para masakto nyo yung yung pag-bake niya. So, here we go, our coconut cookies. Ang ganda tingnan, di ba? So, tikman natin. It's really good. I like the texture here. Crunchy, then dito sauce. So, kung gusto niyo mas soft pa, yung hindi masyadong crunchy, you can adjust the time. Ito, I bake 22 minutes. Then, you can bake mga 18 minutes. Pero guys, sarap. Highly recommended. At saka, madali lang gawin. So, if you like this recipe, don't forget to click subscribe. And please click the notification button para updated kayo for more videos.